In this tutorial, let's briefly explain what a Blackboard course looks like. When you logged into Blackboard, you will see things like Tools, My Courses. Your courses will be listed under My Courses. Some are unavailable. If it is unavailable, you can make it available. I explain that a little bit later. And some are available already, then you will not see unavailable. I have to explain to you that you have to turn on the course when you are ready. The university does not make a course available automatically for you. Um, you can turn it on by click on the name of the course and then go to customization. There's something here, that's arrow here. You can click to expand this. And then you go to properties. And then the third item is to set availability. You need to click on yes to make it available. Move to the right and click on submit to finish the process. So once you have done that, you go back to the courses. You will see the course is now available, or you can go to my BB and it's going to be under my courses. And my sandbox calls it as available right now. So click on this link of this course right now, and this will show you the basic interface of the course. Um, Here on the top, you will see the edit mode is turned to on. You have to turn this to on to make sure you can edit this, make changes. If you click on this once, it will turn to off. And this is what the course is going to look like to the students. So you have to turn this to on to make sure you can edit it. On the left here, you will see a course menu, which you can customize. For instance, if I do not want to have my homepage to be the first, I can drag it down below, or I can even get rid of it. It will ask me to confirm, which I will do, and then you will see the next item is going to show in your essay course homepage. You can also drag it here, make announcement the first thing people see. You can also add new items by clicking on this plus button here. You can add, of course, content areas or tools. You can add, for instance, email on your course menu list. So anyway, this is the course menu which you can customize, and you can hide certain things from students if you do not use it. For instance, I can click on this little button here and then I can hide a link. In that case, students will not be able to see this folder at all. Um, Content is where you usually post your stuff. So I click on content. This is the content area. You can then customize this area by adding content items or add assessment, or you can add various tools like such as discussion board, blogs, journals, etc., or even publisher content. You can search for a textbook here. So that is basically your content area. Usually people put things into folders. Let me see whether I can find an example of this. For instance, North Institute demo course. Let's see whether I have some folders here. Content. See, you can organize content by the weeks, like week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. This can be easily done by click on build content and then add a content folder. I strongly encourage that you do this. You put content of different nature, of different time frames into a particular folder so that it's easier for students to find them. Okay, so that is basically how you customize your content in your course. So this is your work area where you can add content, assessment tools, etc. And down below here, under course management, you see a files here, which is like your file manager. You can add your content here first, and then you can add them, deploy them in the course. Uh, and under course tools, you will see various things you can use as an instructor. Students will not be able to see any of this, but this is something you can choose to use or not. You can see announcement, you can add announcement, you can add blogs, You can add tests, surveys, and polls. All sorts of things you can use here. So I strongly encourage that you go here and then just explore and see what kind of things you can use in your course. Um, Grade Center is also one of the most frequently used places in Blackboard. Here you can add columns to the courses. You can grade columns. You can add up grade columns into a total column, for instance. You can manage student grades. You can send emails from here to students. For instance, I can click here to select all of them and send an email to them. Or I can just choose John Public and send an email to him. In particular, if I see something wrong with his grades, then I can select him and send an email to him directly from the grade center. So this is a great tool for you to communicate with students and manage their grades. Um, so that's a grade center. And then users and groups. Usually you do not want to touch the users because these users are populated from the registrar system. So do not add or remove students unless such changes have been made at the registrar's office in the first place. And then the changes will be trickling down into Blackboard. Customization, I explained you can go to properties to turn the course on. But other than that, there's very little you should be doing here. And packages and utilities, this is where you copy courses from semester to semester. You might want to consult the North Institute for help when you are ready to do this, because there are certain things we want you to know about when you copy the courses from semester to semester. Blackboard also has a very helpful help link here. Click on this help here, and there are lots of video tutorials. Click on this video tutorial, which will bring you to this page. And there are lots of specific, very short, specific items you can see, video items you can see here. For instance, how to make your course available, how to use the content editor, etc. So if you're confused about a particular item, if you do not know how to do a particular thing in Blackboard, just come to this help tutorial place to find a particular tutorial, or you can just ask the North Institute for help.